Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about nullable and non-nullable variables in the Kotlin. By default, Kotlin not allow the null value for the variables. Let me show it. For example, I'm going to assign the variable x of type in is equals to null. So I'm trying to assign the null to the variable x. So click on command enter. So now it is showing the error as null cannot be a value of non-null type int. It means by default int is non-null type. So to assign null value to the int variable, just you have to use a question mark. Let me show how we can assign. Var x colon in question mark is equals to null and hit enter. So now it is executed successfully. It means by assigning the question mark to this like this, so it allows null value to the variable x. Let me print that x value. Print x. So now it print the null value. So now the value null has been successfully assigned to the variable x. Because this is the most important feature in the Kotlin programming language. Because most of the programming language we get the null pointer exception. To overcome such kind of problems, Kotlin introduces this kind of functionality. And using this one, we can also simplify the else operator. It means, for example, I want to decrease the x value if it is not null. If it is null, just I'm going to assign a value. So let me show how we can. For example, x equal to, so like this. It means it is like a condition that if x not equal to null, just I'm going to decrease the x value. And the else operator question mark colon, if it is a null, just I'm going to assign the default value as 2. So execute this statements. Now it is executed. Let me print the x value. So now it is printed the value 2 because this will check this condition. So x is null, so it is come to this else part and it has been assigned that value to the 2. So this is all about nullable in the Kotlin language. In the next video, I will explain more about other topics. Thank you.